What's the meaning of bewitch? Bewitch. Bewitch.
Bewitch. Bewitch. The word bewitch is generally used to describe the act of enchanting or captivating someone with a spell, charm, or magic. It can also refer to the act of controlling or influencing someone's thoughts or actions in a way that seems magical or mysterious. In a figurative sense, the term can be used to describe a person or thing that is so captivating or alluring that it seems to have a hypnotic effect on others. Bewitchment is often associated with witches, sorcery, and supernatural powers. The concept of bewitchment has been a popular theme in literature, movies, and folklore throughout history, and continues to inspire fascination and intrigue today.